Today we're going to be making a steak ramen noodles with cheese. Right here we have 100% all-American cheese and a hoagie with an oxygen absorber. The bread cannot breathe. Let me open up the package soon as I possibly can to get this bread out of here so it can breathe. The bread cannot breathe. Okay. All right. That was kind of over the top. But add the ramen noodles to the pot. Boom, boom, and stir. All right. So you stirred the noodles, and now you need to drain the noodle. Drain the noodles. And don't forget to clean up. I hate it when I get it on the seat. And flush. All right. My noodle is drained. Now it's time to add the seasoning packets, okay? All right. Pour the seasoning packets on a plate. And I'm not going to try to use all the seasoning packets because it will be too strong. All right. So just scrape a little bit off in there and maybe add a bump more or two or maybe a little bit more. Or you know what? Just add all of it to. All right. Now stir. Whoa, that looks good, doesn't it? All right. Now put a piece of butter in there, just a little bit. All right. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cut the bread and you're going to have a slot for the noodle to go in. All right. So now that you have the bread cut and the cheese, got 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 the lick the wrapper. No, not me, the wrapper, okay? Now put the cheese in the slot, and then you are going to put the noodle on top of the cheese in the slot, okay? And we are going to be putting the ramen noodles on top of that. All right, you see that? Got to spread it out there, put it on like that. Okay, great. Now top it off with a little bit of hot sauce right there, hot sauce, and pepper, and olive oil, okay? All right, now top it off with cheese, a little bit more, and put it on a square shape, box shape cookie cutter. And if it's too long, you're going to have to go in, put it on sideways, and then put it inside the oven. Nice and warm oven. Well, not yet. We need to preheat the oven. All right, the hoagie's already in, so preheat the oven to 400 and something degrees. And after a few minutes, it will be toasted on top just like this. And look how good it looks. All right, now put it on a bowl, all right? And then you are going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh broccoli, all right? All right, this is good for presentation and also adds to the flavor. And then you're going to take your utensils, and you know what time it is? It's time to dive into your ramen noodle steak and cheese hoagie, minus the steak. There's no steak in this, okay? Purely vegetarian. All right. Isn't that good? Doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look good? Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.